Okay, what we have, this is the favorite in the collection here. Hard to get rid of this one. 1957 Porsche 356 race car.
Since 1988.
It's been a race car since 1988. Car's absolutely stunning. And a blast to drive. It's built to perfection. I've been around this car for quite a while, and it is in beautiful, beautiful shape. It's the beautiful silver paint with the burgundy mask, Lexan or polycarbonate windows with the vents. Absolutely beautiful. Has a freshly rebuilt 1620cc 912 case with the heads, Kryllo rods, CP forged pistons, integral cams, the 288s. The flywheel's been lightened. Has the 44 millimeter dual Webers on it. The MSD box, and a billet distributor, and the 6AL chip system in it. But as you can see, it's really, really done nicely. Obviously has a fire system in it with the AccuSump. Everything top notch. No expense spared in this baby. Car was dynoed at 160 horsepower at 6,200 RPMs with 151 pounds of torque. So it's a very, very competitive car. Also, the motor was just rebuilt by R&W Enterprises in May 2010. Has about an hour on it. All the bugs have been worked out of it, but it's fresh. Has a 644 Porsche gearbox with the SC shifter, front sway bars, negative cambered spindles, lowered front and rear suspension. As I mentioned, the AccuSump. It has a 2-quart AccuSump, front-mounted oil cooler with all braided stainless lines, remote full flow filter, the HP1. We're going to open the hood and we're going to show you the ATL, the fuel cell. That was just serviced within the last year. Spotless. Bendix pump, Holley red fuel regulator, just so much more. Car is extremely well sorted and ready to race. Has a VSECA logbook.
Yes.
All right, let's fire it up, and then we're going to show you the engine compartment, and I'll show you more of the interior. Extremely competitive car for this class. Not a drop of oil leaking. Pop that hood. Beautiful car. Show you some of the interior here. Aluminum door panels. Very clean, very neat, very well sorted. We will ship worldwide. We'll assist you in shipping.